In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact process of booking the Duolingo English test online step by step. First, head over to the official Duolingo English test website. Once you're there, sign in using the email address or Google account you used when you created your account. After logging in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Here you'll find a button labeled Purchase a Test. Go ahead and click on it. Next, you'll need to choose how many tests you want to buy. There are usually two options available. You can purchase a single test for $70 or get a bundle of 2 tests for $59 each. If you're not sure yet, starting with 1 test is a safe choice. Just keep in mind that prices can change over time. Once you've made your selection, click on Continue. Now you'll be asked to pick how quickly you want to receive your results. The standard option is free and delivers your results in about 2 days. If you need them faster, you can choose the Express option, which gives you results in around 12 hours for an extra $39. After that, enter your email address and select your country. You'll then see the final total, including any taxes. Take a moment to review all the details before completing your payment. Once your payment goes through, you'll see a confirmation message on your screen. You'll also get a confirmation email right away. And that's it. That's how you book your Duolingo English test online. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to check out my other tutorials.